Good afternoon, everyone. It's one of our first really warm days here at our Metro Homestead here in Charlotte, North Carolina, and I'm really behind on making videos. We've done a lot of projects and I've shot a lot. I just haven't had the time to produce it, but I wanted to do a quick video and get it out today and kind of give you an overall update of where we are at and what we are working on. So most of the stuff has been garden focused. Since we had a lot of extra time off with the pandemic, I decided to focus on that. But the last week or two, I've been really busy with my personal business, and I've been really busy with my small business that I own. And so I've been focusing, unfortunately, I've had to focus mostly on that to keep the doors open. But I wanted to take a few minutes to give you an idea of I wanted to take a few minutes to show you what was going on here on our little acre lot and some of the projects we've been working on. So a quick garden tour. This is just some of the mulch we have. Excuse me, this is some of the wood chips that we have that have been delivered. By our buddy that owns Seal Tree Charlotte. My neighbor's yard you're seeing in the background. But this is some of the chips that we've already moved. And this is some of the chips that we had from the previous year. So behind me, I have a whole episode talking about where I got all this free lumber. We've been really lucky, and we've had a lot of friends help us out. One with the wood chips, as you just saw, and then all that lumber behind us, but full story later. So let's walk you out to the garden. These are beautiful girls. Hi. Say hi, Bartley. That's Bartley, our dog. That's Evelyn. Say hi, Evelyn.
Hi.
Hi. And that's our mother hen.
Hey, everybody.
So this is the garden. Now, we've had some fun. We already had the deer come. So we had to put up a quick deer fence, as you can see behind me. So this is a temporary fix, but it seems to be working. The deer haven't even really been in the yard. I haven't noticed them, have you, honey? And then we took some of our wood chips we have. You can see we put them all down, and we put paper down and mulch, or chips for mulching to keep the weeds back. Below me here, we got watermelon. And we got pumpkins. We're going to have lots and lots of pumpkins for sale this fall.
I'm trying to talk. That one has some. That one has what does it have?
White potatoes.
This one has the white potatoes. And that is my cheese stick.
This was our first raised bed we did, and it's mostly filled with plants that were already seedlings from, a big box store. We're pretty happy with most of the stuff. We're excited today. We need to do it actually right now. We've shot up pretty well here. We have 4 plants. You want to show them that? What do we use those for? Show them.
Hit the camera right. Yes. Hi, this is.
You got to stand back a little bit so you're in front of the lens. There you go.
Hi, this. Hit it. Whoa. This is a strawberry. See?
All right. Why did we paint
it's a
rocks?
We painted these rocks so a bird will eat up strawberries or anything.
Good job.
Thank you.
So, as we were saying with the broccoli. So we want to make sure when they shoot up like this, or actually even try to cut them before they shoot, you want to remember that this is the flower. You're eating the bud of the flower. So we want to get these cut and used or eaten right away. I'm going to have some for dinner. So Angela's going to cut them. If you look here, we have little buds.
I have some too.
You are? We have little buds that are coming up. And we should have a couple more shoots off. So why don't we cut it about right there, Angela?
Okay.
There we go, our first harvest.
Yummy. This one is mine to eat.
That's yours?
Yeah. Oh. Yuck.
Look at that one already coming up.
Get above. You see that one on the left? Get above. No.
Above it?
Yeah, just so we could. There we go.
Here we go.
All right, you hold
Evelyn.
them all, Evelyn. Let me see.
All right.
Is broccoli one of your favorites, Evelyn?
Yep. And cauliflower. Yum, yum, yum.
All right, so back to our garden tour. So we have a little bit of everything in this garden. As you can see, we got strawberries and squash, the broccoli we just picked, cauliflower. Look at this beautiful purple cauliflower that's going to be coming up. We had a friend recommend that we use rocks with what kind of paint, honey? Acrylic paint? Acrylic pen paint? To label all of our plants so we don't get confused. As you can see, we got peppers coming up, tomatoes. We got companion plants at the end of each bed. Here we're practicing square foot gardening, so I have more things than I can even say in this video. We have a whole video on square foot gardening coming. But everything from beets to butternut squash, peas, more tomatoes, cucumbers, all kinds of things.
Kale, lettuce.
And I want you to tell everybody what we got in this one.
This one we did the Three Mothers.
Three Sisters.
Three Sisters. This bed we did the Three Sisters. So we have corn here in rows. I just planted a few because we had a dead spot that kind of didn't grow. So I planted a few more and they're starting to sprout this time. So that's good. We have green beans kind of on in between each on the ends. And then if you can look closely, we have, these are the smaller orange and white pumpkins. So we use that as our squash. So we have the corn, green beans, the small pumpkins, and then we put right here in the middle a cucumber plant. So kind of, we're thinking maybe they'll help kind of grow together with the corn.
So Evelyn, what is our favorite part of the garden? What did we get that's right over there that's your favorite? No, that's over there. No, what is over there? Huh?
Animals?
What animals did we get that you love so much? That you like to play with and hold and cuddle? Evelyn, right over there, right behind the camera. What's over there? That we're going to take the camera and go show them.
Chickens.
Chickens. Let's go.
They're not toys.
They're not toys, nope.
I want to smell them because they are so soft. Mommy, they want this one. They want this one.
So this is our chicken coop. And our nice, fun chicken run. We'll take the camera inside, show them the girls real quick. going next, Evelyn?
To a bathtub. Follow me. This is there's all worms on there. That's how we tell worm from. And under here, this so nothing eats it. And everything.
What do we give the worms sometimes?
Fruit.
Fruit, yeah. And other food scraps.
Yep. Now we need some more.
I think that's it, sweetie. Want to scoot down? All right, I'll get in here. Get in here, mommy. So that's our quick tour of our little farm that we're working on. Lots of expansion, lots of future videos coming. Thanks for watching.
Bye.
Say bye.
Bye.
Evelyn, what do I need to do?
What do you need to tell everybody to do?
We whacking some style. What? You want to see this?
Bye, everybody.
Look. What? You want to see this?